Hello.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, handsome. I can hear you properly.
Thank you, brother. Yes, same
Yeah,
to
yeah.
you.
Where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. I just talked to a guy. He's from Bangladesh and working as a soldier.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You guys are rocking in your country.
Thank you, brother. But your background is so nice.
Okay. You wanna see my background? Here we go.
Yes.
Actually, this is the place where I live.
Oh,
This
yes.
is my
It
home.
is a more beautiful place.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I cook here. I eat here. I sleep here.
Wow.
Go to washroom
Are you
here.
soldier in India?
No, I'm not soldier. I am free man.
Okay, it is a memorable time in
I'm
your
a free
life,
man.
maybe, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't have any compulsion, obligation. I don't have any liabilities, no responsibilities. I don't have anything to worry about. I'm just like a free bird flying through the wind.
Wow.
Okay.
It is a more enjoyable life.
Ah, yeah. Take a long breath. Feel good
Yes.
in nature, right?
So, what are you doing now?
What am I doing right now here? I'm talking to you,
Yes,
man.
yes. Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
So, are you married or unmarried?
Am I married? Yeah. If I get any good girl from Bangladesh, definitely I'll get married. I'm old enough to get married. Okay. So definitely I have to look for a girl.
Yes, yes. Uh, are you Hindu or Muslim?
Oh, you are also doing Hindu and Muslim. Okay. I honestly I don't have any religions. I'm an atheist. The person who do not believe in God. Yeah. So that's all about me.
Okay, you are don't any religion.
I don't have any religion. I born with no any stamp on my body that you belongs to Christianity or you belongs to Muslim community or you belongs to
Yes,
Hindu community. There was no stamp on my legs, on my ass, so I couldn't say anything about it.
yes, exactly. It is right because we are men.
Yeah. Okay, so bro, what do you do
Humanity is
for living?
yeah, yes.
How do you live? Your home is
Okay,
looking very beautiful. Can you show me?
okay. No, brother.
It feel good.
I just say mm, I live in Sylhet in Bangladesh. Do you know Sylhet?
No.
Okay. Actually, you are not to the capital in Bangladesh, right?
I'm from India.
Yes, I do. I know, but I just say, do you know in Dhaka?
Yeah, I heard about Dhaka. It's a very famous one, right?
Yes,
There was, I think, one movie
yes.
made, you know,
But
Extraction 1, Extraction 2.
it is a more religion in this situation in the
Hmm.
against in India is our cricket board. It is very bad situation.
I don't watch crickets. I used to watch,
Yes,
I
it is,
used to play,
doesn't matter
but these days I
because we are
stop
man,
engaging in
we are
watching.
we are brother to brother.
Yeah, we are brother, yeah, obviously. Yeah. We
Yes,
are not from different planets, we're obviously brothers.
yes, 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 brother.
Okay.
First, we are first man. I just talk to you. It is a more exhibit to the man. You are so fantastic people.
We are good guys. Okay.
Thank you, brother.
Yeah.
Yes, you
Live
are
in a
first
peace.
man. I just talk to you.
Yeah, great, great, great. I also looking forward to talk to more people, strangers especially, and it's very fantastic to have a conversation with you. Okay, I have a YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is Learn English with JD. Learn English with JD.